Okay, so if you missed my explanation in class, this is how you're going to be able to make your recording for your slides. So this is the example slide, right? Este es el ejemplar. Ya tengo mi frase escrito. Yo almuerzo a las 2 p.m. So I already have my sample sentence. Yo almuerzo a las 2 p.m. I put my picture there, but I need to do my recording. I gave you a link here in this first slide. Ya les dejé un enlace por Vocaroo, vocaroo.com. You'll click that. Once you go to Vocaroo, cuando llegas a Vocaroo, solo tienes que tocar el botón para grabar. You only have to click the button to record. I'll allow it to use my microphone. Now I'm recording. Yo almuerzo a las 2. Hit stop, it's over. That's it. You go to Save and Share. Hace clic aquí donde dice Save and Share. Ahorita te da la opción de descargarlo. You're going to want to download it. Now it's downloaded on my computer. Ahorita está descargado en mi computadora. Alright, ya está mi grabación. Quiero buscar mi grabación. Entonces, esta es mi grabación. Voy a cambiar el nombre. I'm going to rename it. Just that's for me. You don't have to. I'll rename it Slide 1. Slide 1.5 since I did this one. Right. Alright, so that's my recording. Now, I'm going to go to my Google Drive, which you're going to have to do to upload it. Click Drive. You see how here, I clicked here, Drive. I have a folder just made for this. Now, you can see over here it says New. I'll hit New. File Upload. Hace clic aquí donde dice New or Nuevo. File Upload. Y tengo que buscar lo que quiero. I'm looking for the one I want, which is Slide 1.5. Click Open. And now it says Upload Complete. Ahorita ya está en mi Google Drive. Voy a regresar a mi Google Slides. I'm going back to my slideshow. I'm going to click on the example again so you can see. So I clicked here on the example. Now I'm going to go to Insert. Tengo que hacer el clic aquí donde dice Insert, Audio. Y ahorita ahí está in my drive. Ahorita está en mi Google Drive. There it is in my drive. Slide 1.5. Click. Select. Y ya está. Puedo ponerlo, puedo hacerlo grande si quiero. I can make it big if I want and move it anywhere on my slide. But now, my slide is complete. I have my sentence, I have my picture, and I have my recording. Ahorita ya está completado esta frase, ¿verdad? Esta diapositiva. Ya tengo mis frases aquí, el fotito o imagen, y también mi grabación. Let me know if you have questions. Déjame saber si tienen preguntas.